देश वालों, आओ मेरे देश वालों, ओ साडा किस्सा सुनो, आओ साडा किस्सा सुनो, आओ मेरे देश वालों, आओ मेरे गांव वालों, आओ मेरे देश वालों, आओ मेरे गांव वालों.
The man whose name became indelibly linked with the creation of Chandigarh was Charles Edward Jeanneret, better known by his adopted name, Le Corbusier.
That's right. The famous architect Le Corbusier, who was born in Switzerland but lived in France for most of his life.
He was a true Renaissance man, architect, urban planner, sculptor, painter, designer of furniture, writer, and thinker. He believed that there must always be a harmonious relationship between the people and their environment. And destiny brought him to Chandigarh.
People only remember my name. But I must remind you all that Chandigarh came up from the sweat and toil of these workers.
जोर लगा के हैशा, हाथ बढ़ा के हैशा, जोर लगा के हैशा, हाथ बढ़ा के हैशा.